Oh gosh darn it, I got password management in my eyeball again. Hello, my fellow humans. In a world where cyber threats lurk around every corner, it's time to stop treating password management like a casual game of hide and seek. Many professionals still rely on storing passwords in plain text notes or using the same password across multiple accounts. This is not just risky, it's a recipe for disaster. If you think your passwords are safe in your Apple or Android notes, think again. These methods are similar to leaving your front door unlocked with the keys in it while you're taking a nap. People can still enter the door by unlocking it. Enter the password manager, your digital bodyguard. With just one password to remember, a password manager can generate unique, complex passwords for all your accounts. This not only enhances your personal security, but also protects your organization. Let's talk about browser password management. While it may seem convenient, it's less secure than you think. Browsers can be vulnerable to attacks, and if your device is compromised, so are all your stored passwords. It's crucial to understand that cybersecurity is not solely the responsibility of your IT department. We are all on the front lines together. If you notice your company isn't using a password manager, or if you see colleagues relying on browser storage, it's time to stand up and speak up and let your voice be heard. Engage with your managers and peers. Together, we can advocate for better security practices. Recently, a client expressed uncertainty about how to choose the right password manager or import their existing passwords. This highlights a critical need for education and support in changing our password management behavior. At IT CMD, we're here to guide you through this process, ensuring that you and your organization adopt the best practices for security and HIPAA compliance. Let's explore the key features and benefits and best practices of password managers, guiding you through the process of choosing the right solution and getting you started on your password management journey. Key features and benefits. Password managers offer robust security through strong encryption while providing unparalleled convenience. By generating and storing complex and unique passwords for each account, they drastically reduce the risk of breaches by allowing you to access all your accounts with just one master password in one centralized place. With cross-platform compatibility, autofill functionality, and secure sharing options, password managers save time and enhance productivity across all your devices. They eliminate the need to remember multiple passwords and manually type them in all the time, streamlining your online activities, saving you time and money. Many password managers include features to assess your password strength and alert you to potential security risks, helping you maintain a strong online defense system. Choosing the right password manager. For home use, you want to look for a user-friendly interface, easy setup process, and a family sharing plan if needed. Free options with basic features can be sufficient for personal use, but you may want more out of your password manager. For work use, here's the big one, folks. Prioritize enterprise-level features like team management, activity reporting, and compatible with existing company systems. Advanced security features such as multi-factor authentication, there it is again, and admin controls are crucial in the business setting to allow you to have full control and access to everything. Getting started and staying organized. To get started, you want to select your tool by choosing a password manager based on your need, considering factors like security, user experience, additional features, cost, and company reputation. You want to set up your vault by creating a strong master password and start adding your existing accounts to your password manager. You want to start generating new passwords that are strong and unique to all of your accounts. You want to enable autofill. This feature allows you to save time and reduce the risk of keylogging attacks. You want to have regular audits using password health monitoring feature to regularly review and update your passwords. Educate and share. If using for your family or work, educate others on proper usage and utilize secure sharing features when necessary. Implementing a password manager and following these steps, you enhance your digital security, save a lot of time, and keep your online life organized. Whether it's for personal use or professional applications, a password manager is an invaluable tool in today's digital landscape. Best practices for password management, you ask? Well, number one, use long, unique passphrases for each account. For example, you could use a sentence instead of somebody's name that you've used over and over. Number two, enable two-factor authentication everywhere and anywhere whenever you can, no matter how debilitating it costs you to get your job done. Just kidding. But two-factor is very important. Number three, regular updates and reviews of your passwords. You should make sure you're changing them at least every 60 to 90 days. HIPAA compliance is about 90 days. I would stick to 90 days if I were you. Number five, consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords. Like I said earlier, you don't want to use things that are very simple to use. You want to use a sentence, not use people's names, and use different passwords across everything. And the easiest way to do that is a password manager. It will manage that for you. Remember, humans, changing our password habits just isn't about personal security. It's about protecting our businesses, our clients, and our peace of mind. Let's commit to be proactive and not reactive and change our behavior and habits about how we manage our passwords. By ditching insecure methods of leveling up our password game with an amazing password management system, we can safeguard both our personal lives and our businesses and beyond. Your future self will thank you for taking this important step towards better security. For God, country, everyone depends on you. Good day. Turn it off already. Stop recording. Stop recording. Password management. Stop recording. Password management. You didn't need to see that. I would love to hear about the challenges you have faced in your environments. Please share your experience in the comments below and let's create change together.